Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are trying a new hair company. This is Bgmgirl hair. This is my first time trying them, but I was very impressed. So I'm just showing you guys the packaging and what it looks like. Oh, and I was smelling the wig because it smelled good, y'all. This is very rare. It smelled like they really washed it and conditioned it. So I'm showing you guys the construction of the wig, the up close of the HD lace. It does have an adjustable strap with it, and it has wefts in the back. I'm showing you guys how you can adjust it, and then you have a comb in the back as well. It's a very well constructed wig. Oh, and I like that it has the ear part that contours to your ear, so it's comfortable when you wear it. This is what the lace looks like straight out the package on the wig. They also sent two different laces in the package, so you guys can see the transparent lace is on the left side and the HD lace is on the right side. This wig has HD lace. It's very high quality. There are no visible knots. The hooked hair strands are on the HD lace, and in my opinion it looks better, and as you can see it blended with my skin a whole lot better. I'm putting some of my lace tint spray on the wig so that it can match my skin tone, and then we're just gonna throw this bad boy on. This wig is 22 inches and it is Yaki straight. It's a 9x6 wear and go wig, so it's pre-bleached, it has tiny knots, and it's glueless, so I don't really have to do much to it. What I'm going to do now is cut just a couple layers and frame my face. I always like to frame my face. I just think the wigs look, more customized and just better, and they wear better whenever I do it like that. Now I'm just making sure that middle part is nice and flat, so I'm just going over that with my hot comb. And now we are going to straighten it. Like I said, this hair texture is the Yaki straight, and you can see that it has like some of the little crinkles in, so I'm really just straightening it to smooth those crinkles out a little bit. You can definitely just wear it like this, but you guys will see the difference from the straightened side to the other side, and you can wear it however you like, whatever your preference may be. I did have my flat iron all the way up to the highest heat, which I think was 450, so that's great. This hair can take really high heat, so that is awesome. Okay, y'all, so you see the difference from the straightened side to the side where I didn't do anything. Now I'm going to go ahead and just straighten the other side as well. Now I'm just adding a little bit of wax in my hands so I can smooth out the top section just a little bit, and I like to just run that through for my finishing touches. Oh, I did need to go back and flat iron in the back. For some reason I always forget to like flat iron right there, because I flat iron like going towards the front, but I always forget that little back section. So make sure you guys get that little back section, especially if you're doing your own hair Don't forget it. So I'm just running my flat iron through the hair one more time, just doing my final touches, and that is it, y'all. Look how beautiful this wig is. Super duper easy install. As you guys can see, you don't have to do much. You don't have to be a pro at all. I was definitely impressed by this hair. It is beautiful, beautiful luster. It has a lot of movement. As you can see, it has a lot of body. This is how long it is on me. Like I said, I do have in the 22 inches, and I didn't cut anything off the bottom or anything. This is just up close. The lace looks absolutely beautiful. You can definitely part it in different areas. Like I said, this is a 9x6 wear and go wig, and I am wearing it glueless, so I'm going to put my little comb under just to show y'all it is completely glueless, and it's just super easy to wear. So if you like this wig or any other wig from Bgmgirl hair, I will have all the links down below in the description. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.